Step 8. Select from A1 to D13 like this. Go to quick analysis button, click charts here, and then click clusters here. Then drag it here from cell A19, put it here and drag all the way to F35, F35 like this. Drag and resize it from A19 to F35. Then go to style here, chart style, and select style 9, style 12, 11, 10, and this is 9, style 9. You can see the style name above the, click here. Okay, then select chart title from here, double click it and rename it to general fund revenue. Okay, click outside anywhere and this, the chart will be ready. You can also press enter